Hey guys, in this video I want to share my #1 tip with you to help you identify when something might not be going right in your total knee replacement recovery program. Hi, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a physical therapist here in Middletown, Ohio, and if you're new to the channel, the whole goal of this channel is to help you get the best experience out of your knee replacement rehab. So if you just got home, you just had surgery, you want to keep a diary, keep some sort of record of your progress, and the best way to do it, especially nowadays, almost everybody has a cell phone that can take incredible pictures. I recommend to all of my patients, start a photo diary. Start taking pictures of the leg, of your leg that had surgery. I would always recommend you take a picture of the whole leg, so from the knee to the ankle, so that you can keep track. And if you see some changes that are happening, this gives you context around what the leg looked like previously. You know, the biggest challenge that I face as a physical therapist is when a patient comes in to see me, I have no idea what things were like before. I can only go by what you tell me. But if you have a digital picture record of what things looked like before, now it becomes much easier. I just had a lady, wonderful, wonderful woman. She brought in a little written diary of the previous 3 days. And it was so helpful in helping me, allowing me to understand the context around her symptoms, what made her symptoms better, what made her symptoms worse, how things were changing. And I recommend you do something similar. Now, you don't have to write it all down. If you want to, you can. It'd be phenomenal, and I think it's a great resource if you share that with other people who are planning on having a knee replacement. But at the minimum, what I would do is I would grab your phone, and on a daily basis, I would just snap a quick picture of your leg, pretty much in the same setting, the same lighting. You know, different lighting will make color variations kind of hard to judge changes. So if you have a bathroom without a window and you have the same lighting consistently, I would just take your picture in that area every single day. Now you can do it 2 or 3 times in the day, but consistency is key. If you could do it at the same time with the same lighting, you will have a consistent record. And then this way, hopefully nothing changes except for the better. But if it does, if you're like, oh, my knee feels more swollen today, you can go back and reference previous photos. If you're like, hey, I think this is red, more red than it had been, I think this is, you know, something's different, or obviously there are certain conditions like cellulitis, potentially a blood clot. There are things that we want to monitor for. And by keeping this photo diary, it gives you and the healthcare team the opportunity to see how things are changing. Now, a cool little project, if you really want to do this, would be to take these pictures and then put them into a time-lapse progression 3 months, 6 months, 12 months down the road. It's one of those things that you just don't want to do when you're in the middle of it, but you'll be so glad you did when you're past it. So guys, that's just one of my little tips. If you have questions about specific exercises you could do, specific conditions, anything like that, search through the channel. I've already put out a ton of videos, and now moving forward, I'm going to try to update some of the older videos and produce some new content. And the best way for me to do that is for you to ask me questions. So this is an open invitation to you. Post a question for me. If you like this video, if you like the information, post your question in the comments so that I can produce new videos based on questions you have. Guys, as always, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. Like this video so you're telling YouTube to share it with more people who need this information, and I'll catch you on the next video.